Simon from St. Ansgar, Iowa, and we're picking up our truck for the St. Ansgar Volunteer Fire Department. Replacing a 1990 Chevy half-ton pickup, so this is quite an upgrade for us. It's pretty awesome. We kind of heard it from the sheriff in St. Ansgar, from Mitchell County actually, and he's the one that kind of shot us towards you guys and got the ball rolling that way. Everything. I mean, from top to bottom, the lights, the sirens, the bed liner, pretty much everything for us. We took the old radio out of the old pickup and mailed it down to here, and they installed it for us, so we didn't have to do anything. Water tank in the back and a pump, so for smaller grass fires and stuff and places that the bigger trucks can't get to, we can roll through a field with this, or places that a heavier truck can't get to that would probably get stuck, so we'll use this for smaller fires and grass fires.